All right, what I'm doing right now is I want to work on fixing this zombie deck I've got going on here. Now it's a 3-color. It's the blue, black, and white. Now I'm just gonna take the lands, put the sorceries over here, enchantments here, planeswalker, and zombies I'm gonna get rid of. Land I'll keep. Creature I'll get rid of that's actually worth a little bit of money. Get rid of that. We'll be keeping Scarab God. Wilhelt will be end up being the commander. Let's see. Normal land. I'll be getting rid of that. There's another one. I'll be keeping that. Undead War Chief, of course. The Soul Ring. That'll come out. That'll stay. That'll stay. That'll stay. Yeah, maybe that'll stay. We'll see. That'll stay. That'll go. Maybe. Like, that can stay. We'll see what happens. Instant. That'll go. That. I don't know. We'll see. That'll stay. That may stay. That's gonna go. It's gonna go. That'll stay. That'll go. Gray Merchant, as always, will be staying. So will this guy, this guy. That's probably will stay. White land can go over here. It's a little something that will go. Machias can stay. That'll go. Versus will go. Yes, this will stay. cEDH will stay. Polluted Delta will stay. Swamp. Water Game will stay. Skull Clamp. Maybe. We'll see. The Grand River, yes. Dear Death Captain, yes. Shepherd of Rot, yes. That'll stay. That'll stay. Maybe. That'll go. Actually, that might stay. That'll stay for sure. Dam will stay. Will go. Blue. Yes, that'll stay. Gravecrawler, yes. Headless Rider, yes. That'll go. Maze of Ith, always like that. Despark will go. Blade Stitched, yes. Rooftop, yes. That'll go. Dark Ritual, always. Kindred Discovery, of course. Lord of the Accursed will stay. Grimoire will stay. Dread Horde Invasion, that can stay. that. That can go, that can go. That can stay. That can stay. That can go. That'll stay. That's on flavor, actually. Giragath, yes. Command Tower, yes. That'll go. Death Baron, yes. Crypt Breaker, yes. Field of the Dead, yes. Yes, yes. Mirkwood Bats, yes, I know, not exactly. I don't know. Maybe not exactly like not a zombie, but it's good in this deck. Alter, maybe. Plague Vulture. Yes. Stoppable Slasher, yes. Swamp, yes. Monument. Monument might go. Farina will be going for sure. Wilhelt will be my commander. Yes, because I'm switching this just to black and blue. Simple black and blue. So that'll go. Get rid of the planes. Those can go there for the moment. Planes gone. Corpse Knight. Go there. Supreme Verdict can go here. Emmet. Mentor. Wayward Servant. No, that will go in another deck. Clever Concealment, that's good money. Tesa, Darkar, Glacial Fortress, Silence, that's a big meh. D-Spark, that's meh. Ashton, meh. Dan is cheap now too, which is a shame. Sea of Clouds. That's a meh. Serrated Chapel's a meh. Caves of Kylos. All this stuff is going in my, $1 to $3.99 folder. And this stuff is going in my $4 and more binder. Verena, of course, goes in there. So we'll tuck that away for the moment. We'll tuck that away for the moment. So that leaves planes to get rid of. And I'm gonna actually get rid of some newer lands. I like classic lands. I've acquired quite a few recently, so I got 1, 2, 3. Well, we'll see how many lands I need to do. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I gotta do 2 of these, and another one of those. Non-basic. So for non-basics, I gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So maybe I'll do one more non-basic of some sort, and then do 5 each of the basics. These are going right in the bin. Now, yeah. That I don't like. These I like. These new lands, these fucking finish line flag lands fucking suck. So, we've got 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 lands I need. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of these. For whatever. So, we'll pause for a moment. All right. And through the magic of television, I finished the deck. So we got Wilhelt as the commander. I've got my basic lands here. These are early modern, so they don't have like the, how here it shows, set M15 English 248 out of 269. It's a rare, that sort of thing, with the you know, the foiling hologram thing here for the rares and mythics. There's none of that. It's just the simple name of the artist with copyright stuff underneath. I love these lands. These are some of my favorite lands. Any set that has these early modern lands in them, and even classic lands like black bordered stuff from Onslaught or Torment or that sort of thing. Anything from that era. White border lands, beta, unlimited, revised if I can find them. So we've got some different kinds of counter spells, a little ramp. This is also doubles as a tutor. This is also graveyard recursion. A little bit of a death bomb for the whole table if I have enough mana. Diabolic tutor. I decided to take demonic tutor out of it because, you know, I don't know, just cause. Eaten Alive, Devastation Tide to bring everything back, Toxic Deluge, some life pay to kill everything on the table, Reanimate, with it's a zombie deck. So I put this Japanese Necroduality on the front so you could see that it's Necroduality, not leave it buried under everything else. But we've got some good enchantments, some good bigger creatures, including Sidisi Undead Vizier, which is basically demonic tutor on 2 legs. Great Merchant, you know, that's a table, that can be a table wipe depending on how much black you've got going on. Zombie Master, since I got Zombie Master in here, I decided I'm putting Urborg Terminally Yawgmoth. This is my first Urborg that I can remember. I've got some other good zombie staples in here. There's a lot of what I like to call zombie ramp, you know, +1/+1 counters, zombie lords, basically. We've got 3 different Lilianas that favor zombies and undead situations, but also some Jace for some card draw. I've got a little tiny bit of card draw in here. I've just got a stack of artifacts here. So Banner of Kinship, more Lord type stuff, Grimoire of the Dead from a precon, Talisman of Dominance, Skull Clamp for any good situation where you got 1/1 stuff going on. It's good to go on the where is he? Somewhere here. Crypt Breaker's even a good one. Anything with a 1/1 what is it we got here? Gravecrawler. The cheap shitty looking Gravecrawler from the Aether Drift precon. Batu's Monument, that's useful in this. Crowded Cryptis, 2 Chrome Mox, that's a big decked out card for Lotus Petal. I love this treatment of Soul Ring, it's lovely, one of my favorites. I've got more than playset, I got 5 of them. And Leaden Mirror, this could change to something else, but this is some more black ramp to go in there. And this is basically my non-basic lands. So we got Urborg, Field of the Dead. You get it on the table with 7 different named lands. It just starts pumping out 2/2 zombies. Command Tower, of course. Cryptovagadim, I think, is better in this deck than that other one that gives you tons of black mana. Can't remember it off the top of my head at the moment. But that one, whereas it gives you more black mana according to how much devotion to black you have. This one gives it to how many black creature cards in your graveyard. So that's, on flavor, on point, and I think it works better than the other one. Maze of Ith, I always use that. Shipwreck Marsh, that's good. Underground River is all right. Watery Grave Essential, Polluted Delta, another land tutor of sorts. Sunken Hollow's okay. Exotic Orchard's okay. Morphic Pool, need that, must have. Drowned Catacomb, yes. That's a good one. Unholy Grotto. This was awesome from the precon. Put a zombie card from your graveyard on top of your library. Beautiful. Accursed Dunyard. I love this from the Aether Drift set. It's as good as, it's almost better than Swarm Yard in some respects. Yes, it's kind of a little bit shittier because you got to pay 2 and tap, but you can regenerate more things. And it's all like dark themed things like Shade, Skeleton, Spectre, Spirit, Vampire, Wraith, or Zombie. So you can do like, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 7 different creatures you can bring back instead of 3 or 4 like the Swarm Yard. So there you go. That's my Wilhelt Commander deck. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take out the Leaden Mirror and I will put in, there's another card that'll go in instead that works well with Wilhelt. I'll do that at some point here. But I decided to take all the white zombies out because 3 colors, I've got a couple 3-color decks. They're okay. But just to get them mana fixing for it's just so hard and can get expensive. 2 colors is good. I like this. All right, that's the end of this. I hope you enjoyed. More videos to come in the future. All right, night, everyone.